it's Aaron, and when I'm working in Rhino, I've got a pop-up menu which contains a lot of my frequently used tools. I simply mash my middle mouse button and I get all of my different options up here. This video, I'm going to show you how to create one of these for yourself. To start, we actually need a toolbar which we can populate with a couple of commands. I'm going to come up to my toolbar, I'm going to right click and say I want a new toolbar. With this dialog box, I can choose to call this something like toolbar pop-up. I'm going to keep this all one word and select next. Here we can add a few commands. I'm just going to grab the first one just so I've got something in my toolbar. Let's click next. And I'm going to say, well, let's use both image and text for this one and press finish. So it's up here. I'm just going to tear this off and bring it into my frame. I can resize this. So this is toolbar pop-up. Now in previous videos, I've created some macros. I've got a mirror y/x. I'm going to hold down Control and I'm going to copy this into my new toolbar, and the same with my quad mirror. I'm going to copy this here. Now with my first button, I don't actually want this. I'm going to hold down Shift and I'm going to left click and drag this out, which is going to delete this toolbar item. So that's our toolbar. Feel free to populate this with any of your most frequently used commands or any macros that you might have created. The next thing for us to do is go to our document properties or options. I'm just going to type options. And I want to come to my mouse options. If we have a look at our mouse options, we've got a middle mouse button. Now, hopefully your mouse has actually got a middle mouse button. Mine's got a scroll wheel, which when you depress, acts as a middle mouse button. And you can see that we've got a pop up this toolbar option. I'm going to drop this down and I'm going to go to default toolbar pop-up, which is the one we've just created, and press OK. Now, if I close down my currently open toolbar and press my middle mouse button, you can see that we've got our two options there. And let's select our little scarab beetle and make sure that this works. So there we have it. That's how you create a pop-up menu for Rhino3D. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.